investigation, did you review or analyze a cell phone belonging to Victor Rivera?
Yes. I just did something. Can't take it back. I love you. Tell my mom that I love her.
And how did Jess Eliza reply?
She replied with what? With several question marks. And Victor Rivera replied, tell her not to go court. Jess, give me her number. Vic, Rivera, it's too late. Jess states, dude, for real? Victor replies, I f***ed up without a doubt.
What did Jess Eliza say next?
How bad? Victor replies, really bad. Tell my mom I will always love her. Jess replies, what the f***? Victor replies, no turning back now. Jess replies, you know I'm always worried about you. Victor states, I should have never done it. It was stupid. I was so furious.
What did you observe about Miss Swett's injuries when you arrived at the scene?
It was immediately apparent to us that she had suffered gunshot wounds, specifically to her face.
And what about Mr. Champagne? What did you observe?
We observed pooling of blood on his face and around his body, and it was apparent that he had what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his side and clothing.
After you first arrived at the scene, were you eventually informed of a suspect?
Yes, I was.
And were you given a description of the suspect?
Yes, I was.
What was the description that you were given?
A Hispanic male, black jacket, light-colored shirt, light-colored jeans. We didn't have an exact address, and so they asked me to respond to the area and just see if anyone matching that description was in the area.
Did you eventually see someone matching the description you'd been given?
I did.
And who was that?
I saw a subject come out of the shadows. The subject was later identified as Victor Rivera.
Once I got close to Officer Innocent, I noticed that he was contacting, speaking with Victor Rivera based on the surveillance and the photos that were sent out up to that point. I took over verbal commands, instructing Mr. Rivera to place his hands over his head.
As you were approaching Officer Anderson and the defendant anything that he was carrying?
Yes, he had a backpack, and then he was carrying a fishing rod as well. We placed him in handcuffs for officer safety. We detained him at that time based on the shooting investigation and matching the description of the suspect.